Reset device. Restart. If a power cycle doesn't fix the issue, try performing a device restart. Press and hold the power lock button. Select Restart. The device will take a moment to restart. Factory reset. A factory reset will erase all information on the device and return it to factory default settings. It will permanently erase all personal data, preferences, settings, and content that is saved to the device. It is recommended that you back up important data before proceeding. The device must also be charged to at least 30% to perform a factory data reset. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. Select the Settings icon. Scroll to and select System. Select Advanced. Select Reset Options. Select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Select Erase All Data. Select Erase All Data again to confirm. The phone will take a moment to reset.